Hello, this is Ben, also known as the Entire Metalhead on Instagram and Flickr, and today I have something a bit different to show you guys. This is a puzzle box that I made for my sister for Christmas. It's all handmade and wood-burned with various designs on it. Each side is multi-layered to sort of hide and hide the mechanisms, add a bit more depth to it. And you can hear some of the stuff my sister has in there rattling around. So there are 6 steps, I guess, to opening this. All of them have to do with these gems that are on the box. Both of these front ones open up, lift up, and then this disc right here spins to the left to open up. And the fairy right here moves down to get out of the way. And the last two are these two. You push them down, and we usually use 2 pencils or something similar. And the lid can come all the way off. As you can see, that happens quite a bit. They're not glued to the springs that are in there. There's just some small magnets on the bottom of the metal rods here, so they do that quite often. And then, because it's made like this, it can come off completely. You can see my sister has some of the extra gems I gave her, as well as a little dragon that my brother 3D printed for her. So I'll just go over the designs on each side again. This is a Celtic knot on the lid. The fairy with some wind designs and some crystals in the corner. A nature scene, the sun with the canyon, waterfall, and tree. A fairy working on some sort of object. This is more of a misleading gem, same with over here. There's nothing to do with those in this, in the mechanisms. As you can see, here's a closer look at this mechanism. This just goes up into a small notch in the lid. You can see right there. And then the circular disc just puts this up in another notch that's a little bit further back in the lid, right where the screws are, which also come down. So this is just something a little bit different that I thought you guys would be interested in. It's completely made out of wood, except for the little metal bits and these plastic tubes for the spring mechanism. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys another time.